It's about time I finally change my gaming chair and give a makeover to my room. Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be super interesting because I'll be showing you my brand new gaming chair. Thing is, I've been using this chair for quite some time, right? How many years has it been? I think 1.5 or maybe 2 years. I don't exactly remember, and it's all worn out. A lot of you people were also telling me the same thing in the comments, and that is why I decided I'll get some brand new gaming chairs. So I'm actually ordering two gaming chairs, guys. One will be my primary one and the other will be secondary. The primary one is something very special and it is coming all the way from US, guys, because that particular model is not available in India. It's already on the way, and let me tell you, that is going to be epic. And the secondary one has just arrived and it was already delivered, so that is what I'll be showing you in this video. So this second gaming chair is from Selbel. Selbel is an Indian brand that makes office chairs, gaming chairs and a lot of other stuff. You'll have to check out their website. So these guys also wanted to send me a new gaming chair, and that goes by the name Transformer series, and that is what I'll be showing you in this video. So let's get started. Alright guys, here's our brand new gaming chair from Selbel. Comes in this sort of huge box packaging, and I have to say the package was quite heavy. There's nothing much written on it except the Selbel branding and the model info mentioned over here. The model of the chair is GC01 Transformers series and comes in multiple colors. The one I selected was the most attractive one out of all, and you guys will have to wait for some time until I unbox and show it to you in person. So let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut this seal at the top side. Oh boy, looks like we've got a lot of stuff inside the package, and as usual, even this is a DIY chair and you will need to assemble it yourself, which is actually quite easy. Just watch my video till the end for the complete info. So starting off, we've got the wheel base at the top. It's a 5-legged wheel base to which we'll be attaching all the wheels, and the quality looks solid, entirely made out of metal. There's a piece of paper here, looks like a manual. Yep, it's a step-by-step guide on how to assemble it. You can also refer to this as well for the installation procedure. Keeping that aside, you get two adjustable armrests, and these are the main parts of the chair, the backrest and the seat. And ta-da, this is a color that I've selected. It's the black and grey edition. On their website in pictures it was looking quite good, hence I went with it and I have no regrets at all. The color looks beautiful in person, and from my first impressions the finishing also looks very nice. Just like any other gaming chair, you do get a free headrest pillow and a lumbar support cushion as well, both in a dual tone black and grey finish. And here's the actual base of the chair, the lower half section. Good quality, they've used decent amount of foam and padding and has green accents on the bottom side. And lastly, you also get an accessory box which includes all the installation related stuff, like you've got some screws, nuts and an Allen key. You also get a set of 5 wheels, good quality 60 double caster wheels, a class 4 gas lift for height adjustment, a protective cover for the gas lift, 2 more covers for the side frame, and lastly a control mechanism to lock or adjust the height. That's it, these are all the stuff we got in the package. See guys, I won't be covering a step-by-step installation tutorial as we've already done that a dozen times on our channel. So you can actually refer to my previous chair videos for that. Anyways, let's get started. Alright guys, our brand new gaming chair is all assembled and good to go. It hardly took us around like 25 or 30 minutes to assemble this, and from my first impressions I have to say the chair looks very attractive. I love this black and grey color finishing, looks quite classy and minimalistic, and I believe a lot of you people will also relate to me. Anyways, before I actually sit in the chair and talk about the comfort and the experience, first let me tell you about the design and the build quality of this chair. The Cell Bell's Transformer Series GC01 is a racing-inspired gaming chair that has a traditional look and feel as you would expect. It's got an ergonomic design with a dual-tone black and grey finish and looks quite attractive, especially because of the color. The material used on the chair is pretty good. The whole cushioning is covered in a leather-like PU material, and as mentioned earlier, it's also available in 3 other color variants as well. The build quality of the chair is nice. Top to bottom, the chair has a steel construction on the inside, and even the wheel base has a solid feel to it as it's completely made out of metal. And this is how it looks from the backside. It has a complete sporty feel with the Cell Bell branding at the top. And wait a second, I haven't told you about the load capacity, right? It can take a maximum load of up to 110 kgs and is fully adjustable, which I'll be showing you in a moment. The only few things I have to mention over here is the outer PU material doesn't have any sort of breathable holes on it, so it's not perforated, so that might make you feel a bit sweaty on long sessions of usage. But I do have to tell you the fabric stitching quality is very good on the chair. The overall build quality is quite satisfactory for the price point. So that was about the design and the build quality. Now let me sit on the chair and then I'll share my feedback and experience about the comfort. Oh wow. Hey, this actually feels pretty nice. It's quite comfortable. See guys, I have seen and used so many gaming chairs, so I can instantly say like how does a gaming chair feels as soon as I sit on it. So this particular chair from Cell Bell, the Transformer series, is a mid-range category gaming chair and feels quite comfortable. The brand has used decent amount of cushioning and padding on both the lower seat and also in the backrest and feels quite comfortable guys. There are a lot of adjustability options as well. I'll be showing them to you in a moment. And you do have this headrest pillow and lumbar cushion support, right? They're also adjustable. You can change the position easily as per your requirement. And let me tell you, the chair feels quite comfortable when you sit on it. The armrest position is also pretty nice. Let me tell you about the adjustability. See, as usual, just like most of the other gaming chairs, even on this one, you can adjust the height, you can adjust the tilt position, and you can even adjust the handles on it. So first, let me tell you about the armrests. See, these armrests only offer height adjustments. That means just by pressing these buttons, you can only like increase or decrease the height of this armrest. I wish they also offered like maybe swivel and also front and back movements, but unfortunately that is not there. Only height adjustment is present on this armrest. So that was about the armrest. Now if you ask about the height of the gaming chair, well, you can easily adjust that by pulling this lever on the bottom side. Where is that? Yeah, over here. If you just push it upwards, right, it goes to the lowest position, and by standing atop, you can increase the height just like this. Very easily you can adjust the height as per your requirement. And not only that, you can easily adjust the tilt position also. See, because whenever you're doing long sessions of gaming, right, you get tired and you want to take a bit of naps or maybe breaks, and that time, instead of just going out of this chair, you can just easily adjust this tilt position and take a small nap right over here on the chair itself. It feels quite comfortable, guys. You can easily sleep and take a refreshment break. Wow. It feels very nice. The swivel movements, 360-degree rotations, everything is quite smooth. I think I'm going to sleep if I do this any more time. Let me just get back to my position. The tilt angle can be adjusted up to 170 degrees. And I've told you, right, the maximum load capacity of this chair is around like 110 kgs. So if you're a teenager or maybe a college gamer of similar kind of personality like me, then it will be like perfect for you. But if you're a bit more heavyweight or maybe heavy personality, I feel the gaming chair might become a bit small for you. So keep that in mind. So that is pretty much it, guys. That was my video on this Cell Bell's Transformer series gaming chair. It's a very nice gaming chair. I like the design, the color combinations, the build quality, and also the adjustability options. Everything feels quite comfortable also when you sit on it. But the only thing I felt is the armrests on it are not that much adjustable, guys. I wish they had swivel and front and back adjustments as well. You can only adjust the height on it. So I wish Cell Bell could include this maybe in their next model of gaming chair. chairs. And the other thing is I felt the gaming chair is slightly a bit on the expensive side. It costs almost like 14,999 rupees. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that is it for today, guys. Did you all like this new gaming chair? Let me know in the comment section down below. And I'll see you all in my next one.